Hey, hey, Stone, Mountain Moto, kick dirt, rev it up, we gone. Any land, turf, or terrain, we own. YZ, gas, blowing that strong, yeah. Ooh, hit the trail, just me and my crew, baby. Riding through the ATL, ain't nothing new, baby. Yeah, we on big tricks, you know we don't fold. We too bold, these folks elite. You think it's gold below my feet. On gold, we rolling deep. We just flow, no, we don't slow or creep. Cause we own, baby. My crew is solid as a stone, baby.
What's good, gang? We about to go link up with Delphine's son. He got some people popping out on Banshee today. That boy Will.
Play music.
You done got the music in, huh?
Yes, sir.
Fancy.
Let's ride.
Hey, what up? Hey, that's a KLX?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to have that. I used to have one of them motherfuckers.
Where y'all boys be riding?
Shit, we about to go. We gonna be around the trails over here today, like probably for the next few hours.
Alright, we gonna be on the few.
All right, that's a bet.
Alright. Those nice bikes though, that's a 700?
Yeah. 250. It's a FX. Yeah, the wood's going. All right, well, what I cook? All right. What's up?
I was wondering, where'd you get the GoPro mount?
Online, Chin Mounts.
Chin mount? Okay.
Chinmounts.com.
Alright.
Yeah. Hey, is that your pops that got the side by side?
No, the one down there?
Yeah.
So 2 houses next to it.
Oh,
Where
okay.
that big gray Chevy is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, okay. I don't know what. Would you ride with him one day?
Huh?
Was you riding with him one day? The dude with the side by side?
Yeah, but we went through a trail. I got my own dirt bike at home.
Oh, did you get it fixed? Oh, you still ain't get it fixed? You just got a flat tire? You don't got the parts, the stuff to fix it? It's cheap. If you get it, let me know. I can change it for you.
But you got something for my dad.
What up?
We gotta run to the gas station.
Alright.
My other partners, they on their way, but I tell them we can arrive though, man.
That's a bet. Oh, I thought somebody shot, boy. I thought somebody shot. You ran out of gas? Hey, yo, get up. Boy, I thought I was gone. Here, let me push you off the road. Yeah, neutral. That motherfucker backfired. You heard that backfire?
I heard that.
Well, I thought somebody shot. I don't think you're in neutral. Hey, outside today. Time. We had already gassed up.
I seen y'all early.
Oh, when we was over here?
You ran out of gas down there.
In the Razor? Oh, that's why he slowed down?
Yeah.
Oh,
So I got to shoot down there. Yeah.
bro, you wanna get my gas can? I don't got no gas in it, but my neighborhood closer than yours.
This battery went dead too, though.
Oh, on the Razor?
Yeah.
Bro.
You want to grab some gas and I'll shoot and grab the battery pack?
Oh, you gonna grab the charger?
The charger so you can start.
Oh yeah, I mean I can't carry it on here. Oh yeah, I could.
You can get it?
Yeah.
You don't need nothing about a gallon of gas.
Right.
He'll pay you back.
Oh. Here, I can hold it. I can hold it on the way there, but that's too much. I'm trying to ride, bro. Why you had to fill the big gas can up, man? This shit like 2-3 gallons of gas. It's heavy as fuck. Don't let them, man. Hey, you could let them go around real quick. Y'all can let them get around real quick. I'm not riding with them, bro. Hey, that's dead. I'm not riding with them, bro. We ain't gonna hit it. That's dead. I don't know what they doing, bro, but fuck it. I'm riding. I don't even fuck with dude like that.
Right.
Like, honestly. Yo. Oh yeah. What's up? What's good? KC. That's what's up. How you doing, man?
Get it?
Hey, he might have to just ride with Buddy on with his boy. Like, yeah, because it's somebody else on the quad with him, right? The one that got stuck. God damn. Oh. Oh, there they go. Okay, we good. Hey!
Get the front, bro. You get the front. 1, 2, ready.
No, what? You got to get enough speed to get up before you get over here.
Right.
So you got to be steady on it.
Come on with it, let's go. Chain off.
What happened?
The chain came off.
Oh, damn.
Got 2 of them motherfuckers.
Nothing stopping them. We ride. Chain came off. Ride out. You heard? Gang shit.
Oh, yeah.
Niggas out here, dog. You see what's going on.
Yeah.
Niggas break down. We got mechanics on deck. You heard? You're not stopping the ride.
Solid down there.
Spoke too soon, gang. Shit, we got to shut it down. They almost got the chain off. Gotta go get a whole nother chain. The chain came off and got stuck all in the axle.
2 hours later.
Hey, the sound of them 3 Banshees flying by us. Oh, that shit sound good as fuck. The sound.
Yeah, we had a few issues, but shit, we made it. Everybody got their bikes back. No man left behind.
I came on that. It's fun.
See, I got a couple more pops.
It's rough too. You gotta be ready to ride.
That's all about me. Yeah. It's made for the trails.
Shit, this is too. That made for the hill.
Well, I'm tired.
Crazy on the
Long ass day, boy. We've been out here all day. Let's dope ass ride.
It's not made for the track, so like whatever.
It's nothing but cheddar, it's nothing but cake. It's nothing but gas, what the fuck is a break? I can't even count all this money I made.